guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Of course, hit that bell notification that has the all written on it, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Just to mention also, I started a new YouTube channel that is Laura Forde's Videos 2 TWO. So go across there and give me some support. Of course, I'm only now populating it, but I would have like general tips, a lot of my photography and cinematic videos with beaches and time lapses and so forth. So please, you can give me some love across there. But what are we going to be making today? Well, today we're going to be making a golden apple and banana smoothie, just like this one that I have here. So let's get started.